Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok comment not showing. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. There are some of the reasons why your TikTok comment is not showing. The answer to your question might be in the privacy and settings on TikTok. Tap open TikTok application and sign into your account. Once you're in, from the home screen, tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner, and from your profile page, tap on the three dots at the upper right corner of the screen. Under Account, select Privacy, and under Privacy, scroll all the way down under Safety, and from there, tap on Who can comment on your videos. Ensure that either everyone or friends are checked. Now go back and tap on Comment Filters. Temporarily switch off the first two filters. Sometimes the comment option will not show if there are privacy settings on that are preventing your followers' comments from posting. Within these settings, you have an option to automatically or manually filter comments. After you turn those settings on, your followers will be able to comment on your post back again. Another thing you can try out is go to Settings from your mobile device, and under Settings, tap on Apps. Under App List, tap on TikTok, and once you do that, under Users, tap on Storage. Clear the cache at the bottom right and then clear your data at the bottom left, and this might work with the issue. If this still doesn't fix, then go to your TikTok application and uninstall the application from your device. After you do that, reinstall the app and log into your account, and your problem might be fixed. Those were some of the fixes for TikTok comment option not showing on TikTok. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.